What's up, everyone? Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today, for fun, I decided, you know what? It took me many years to find this die-cast truck. They are very rare. You know what I decided to do today? We're going to take this very rare truck and we're going to customize it to fit with our electric RC pickup truck. That's right, and we have done so. So there's, as you can see, full suspension. And it completely works. We just have to charge it now. No interior at the moment. I just got finished doing this, the rough draft. So I'm still working on it, but I have to say it looks pretty nice. So this is the truck. This is how it looked beforehand. This is another one that came in the set, very rare, and these actually have suspension on them. They're not operational, they're just for looks, and they're very hard to come by, but the frame fit good. So I am super happy. I mean, look at this monster. So yeah, we're gonna charge it up and go for a test run. We can tuck the wires up in as well, so they're not showing. And there's a lot of stuff we still have yet to do with it, but the body's on there nice and solid, and I'm happy. Because I thought, you know what, all they're doing is setting out. I'm never going to sell them, and I have two of them, so you know what, we're just going to go ahead and customize one. So we went ahead and took off the wheels and the subframe. We then went ahead and took off the interior, the little bottom frame. So if we want to mount it up, we could figure something out with cutting this off and just sticking the seats up. That's something that's a possibility. So this was the body that was on the RC truck. So there's our GoPro mount that we're going to put on the other one. So yeah, you know, it was a pretty cut forward. Just had a few more holes, and it worked really well. For those who want to get a good look underneath it, we could customize it even more if we want to. So there, the front end came off because I just have it on by the bumper. The rear is on solid. I have that so we can still customize it a little more until we're done here. So that rear bumper just simply holds in place with that, and that slides the front end down in, right in there. Reverse! Oh my word, this is so cool, guys. I hope you guys are seeing this. This is so awesome. I mean, let's put the high. Let's see what we can do here. Oh my word! Brutal! So reverse is a lot slower. I mean, going forward has just power. Oh, almost made it in reverse. Look at that. This is insane. This is insane, guys. I mean, this is awesome. Man, this truck is getting a little scuffed up, but that is fine by me because this is so awesome. So we still got to mount the bed in here a little bit better, but it is staying in pretty well. Alright everyone, welcome back to the die-cast monster truck build. So this is the interior that originally went in here. We just made it smaller and mounted it in there. Now you can see interior, and the goal is to mount the truck back with the interior. So here we got the truck, and as you can see, the bed's on here. Maybe you guys can't. Let's move this over so you can see the beds here. So we need to line it up and see how this works. So we go ahead, put the bed through, and the interior is going to sit on like that. And that's going to look nice. Now you won't be able to see the wires from underneath. Go ahead, pop this back off, get this mounted up on here. say hello to Franken Truck. That's right, we are complete for right now. Franken Truck is done. So to get a good look at the headlights, let's go in somewhere where it's completely pitch black. So there's the headlights. So we're gonna shine it off the wall. You probably can't tell a difference. So that's the headlights. Let's go ahead and switch on to, check that out, guys. Look at how bright that is. Look at that. Now that is bright. So cool, guys.